Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to link a debit card to GO2Bank. If you don't have a GO2Bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs on the left side menu. Click on Debit Card Transfer. On this tab, you will see an option that says Link a Debit Card. Click on Link a Debit Card. Now, enter your card details such as your first name, last name, and address, also the card number, expiration date, CVV, etc. Once entered, click on Continue. That's how you link a debit card to GO2Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.